I'm Bella Popnik reporting on Fort Hood. We now know at least 3 law firms are representing victims of the former Fort Hood Army doctor accused of sexually assaulting and secretly recording his patients during private exams.
We're forced to place our faith and trust in the on-base medical system, but that system has failed us.
3 law firms tell 25 News they are representing victims of former Fort Hood Army doctor Blaine McGraw. On Tuesday, Houston-based firm, the Cobos Law Firm, held a press conference to lay out its civil suit.
Nobody listened. Nobody sat up. Nobody paid attention. And now we potentially have hundreds of victims in one of the largest sexual assault cases ever in Army history.
Sanford, Heisler, Sharp McKnight, and the Carlson Law Firm are also representing victims. All firms plan to file Federal Tort Claims Act, or FTCA, complaints against the Army. The Carlson Law Firm tells me they're representing 3 victims, but have a handful of other inquiries. They went on to say, quote, "The legal process at this stage does not allow for a lawsuit to be filed," end quote. That's because those involved must file complaints in court before the government will issue a right to sue letter.
Now, there are bad people all around society. There's always going to be bad people. The issue is that when the institution that employs those bad people fails to recognize it and fails to take corrective action, that's when it becomes the organization's fault.
Once a complaint is filed with the agency at fault, it's given at least 6 months to investigate. After that, the individual can file a lawsuit against the agency. FTCA is a federal statute that allows people to bring legal claims against federal agencies for harm committed by agency personnel. I reached out to McGraw's practice.
Hi, this is Major Blaine McGraw. Please leave me a message.
But was not able to get through.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept any messages at this time.
The Army's Criminal Investigations Division is still investigating these accusations against the doctor. The Texas Medical Board confirmed McGraw is not licensed in the state of Texas, but physicians working in federal facilities do not need to be licensed in the specific state where they work. Upon further investigation, it appears he's licensed in Hawaii. At Fort Hood, I'm Bella Popnik.